names there. Names of all the places. The city centrum is there. And Hotel aan de Zee is there.
Do you go here then?
Yeah. And yeah.
They're carrying a shovel, so I guess they're going to the beach.
It's trying to capture life in What's up? Is it something?
A scraped thing against the wall. It is vintage. Wow. They usually don't get that.
Yeah. See, everyone seems to be heading to the beach. That West Coast. The West
I
Coast.
always think the beach is that. That's what I think. Shall I take a picture of this building?
Yeah, but the sign says marked. Do you want to cross or what? You have a wide angle, which should. The closer you get, you won't be able to get anything. The strand is there. Anneke. The sign says it's there. The sign there shows the strand, that it's in that direction.
He's asking me, do you want my navigation guidance?
Right, so you go in there. Right, will take you at Hotel d'Anvers. It's also easy to remember when you follow the.
Go southwest on Zeeland. That's all. Southwest.
Oh, there's a tractor coming. Alright, wait. Those are the
Look at that big lobster. We should cross really, just in the sun and then.
Okay. Come quickly. Come quickly. Cars are behind you. It's not England.
Oh, nice. See that big lobster?
Yeah.
Look at that house. That's special. Film it.
That one.
Strand. Maybe I'll take a picture of that. I want a picture of the lobster.
A beauty. It's
From here, I think you can see the north.
you wanted a zoom lens, you see? It's not a zoom. That's what I keep telling you.
Là, il y a le road. D'accord, ouais.
To the right you go. Maybe you have. There's no. It looks like a park actually. It's as if it's an old.
Look at this African mask or whatever. Or is it a bee house? Maybe that's a bee house. Yeah, it's for bees.
I'm gonna take a picture of the other side of the street to show a bit of the Panne. The Panne, the curly wear. Oh, you're getting close to the Casa Bella.
Right, and so peacefully. This is a nice fountain.
Yeah. See ourselves at the statue, just like you know, made it? What was it for?
Modern sculpture.
Have we lost our ways? The signs are there to show the direction. The closer you get, you won't get them properly. It's not like it's white, so it's